Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll turn our attention to the words we use, noticing their effects on us, and learning to soften the language we use with ourselves. Begin by settling into a comfortable position. As your eyes softly close, let your spine lengthen upwards. And take a couple of breaths to notice how your body feels. As gently as you can, meet any areas of tension or tightness with the intention of softening. Starting at your face, notice if you're holding or gripping your eyes, your forehead, your jaw, and consciously relax. Release your neck and shoulders, your arms and hands. Soften your back, your chest, your belly. Release gripping in your hips, your legs. Just let your whole body relax as you settle into your practice. Now, gently turn towards your breath. Notice the breath flowing in and out of your body. And stay as gentle and effortless as you can, noticing your body breathing. Notice where your breath starts and where it ends. And as you stay present with each breath, observe the cycle of inhales and exhales. One breath after another, again and again and again. And when you get distracted, notice how you react to that. Are you judging yourself? What kinds of words are you using to guide attention back to your breath again? Rather than criticizing yourself or labeling your meditation as good or bad, invoke as much understanding and acceptance as you can, and tenderly bring your awareness back to your inhales and exhales. Treat yourself as you would a loved one. and check in. Can you let the breaths just come to you? Receive your inhales and exhales as though each were a soothing gift. Let your in-breaths and your out-breaths act like a loving, compassionate balm. Breathing in whatever you need, gentleness, kindness, ease, calm. Breathing out whatever isn't serving you, thoughts, judgments, labels, critiques. Now, let your attention widen. We're often unaware of the words we use. When we make a mistake, we might think to ourselves, "That was dumb." Or if we try something new and fail, we might silently say, "I'm no good." But whether we're doing it consciously or unconsciously, the words we use towards ourselves have an impact on our emotions, our thoughts, and our behaviors. Though it's hard to change our patterns, it is possible. Start by noticing how you speak to yourself. Make a conscious decision to reframe your language, replacing the judgmental tones with compassion and acceptance. Rather than saying, "That was wrong, why not try? There might be another way." Say "and" instead of "but," or choose to rather than have to. As you become more aware of the words you use, notice how that makes you feel. Observe how it changes your perceptions. Now gently return to your breath. Feel your inhale reaching all the way down to your fingers and toes. With your exhale, slowly begin to move your extremities, gently bringing yourself back. And when you're ready, let your eyes softly open. Be mindful of your language today, and we'll meet back here tomorrow.